Indians, namaste. All right, if you're an Indian and you're watching me, this opportunity is for you. It's called the Indians Young Professional Scheme. It's a ballot system where a lot of Indians will be applying. Trust me, this is the best way to get into the UK. I'm sorry, let's take this off. All right, so this is the best way to get into the UK if you're an Indian. Please take this opportunity, grab this opportunity, and apply as soon as possible. Not to waste much of your time, let's head straight into the system right now, and I'll be showing you how to apply. All right, if you click on the link in the description below, you should have something like this on your screen right now. If you don't have something like this, which means I don't know, maybe you click something else. So guys, just like I said before, this is for Indians. So the fact that you are not an Indian, don't be discouraged. I will advise that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification, because UK releases opportunities all the time. So this is for Indians. Now, you don't know when your own opportunity might come. You don't know when the one that pertains to your country might come. So I'm telling you the truth. This channel is the best place you can get confirmed information. So if I were you, just stay tuned to this channel, because I'll be dropping information. Every opportunity that UK releases, immediately release, I'm dropping it. So Indians, let's go. Okay, so it says Indian Young Professional Scheme visa ballot system. As you can see, Indians, this is the best way to get into the UK, and there's a lot going on right now. No dependency, school fees are so high. This is a ballot system. If you are skilled, you can win this, you can get into this, and it's free to apply, of course. So it says this guidance explains how to enter the ballot to apply for the Indian Young Professional Scheme visa and how the ballot system works. As you can see, this was last updated on 13th of February 2024. That should be 2 days or 3 days ago. So it says here, you need to enter a ballot if you want to apply for a visa for the Indian Young Professional Scheme. It says here the next ballot will open at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on the 20th of February 2024. It will close at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 22nd February 2020. So this thing is going to open for 48 hours. Guys, please, if you're an Indian, you are watching me, take this to note, put it on your reminder. If you can't hear me clearly, you can't hear English, please translate it or ask somebody to interpret for you. So this thing is opening on the 20th of February 20, and it closes on the 24th. I mean on the 22nd of February. Please get that into your book. You can enter at any time while the ballot system is open. The link to enter will be on this page. It says here, entering the ballot. You can enter the ballot if you are an Indian citizen. I can't overemphasize this enough. Indian citizen, and you are eligible for the Indian Young Professional Scheme. So let's quickly check. It says check you are eligible. So you come here to check if you're eligible. Let's quickly see. Then we'll come back out to this page. Let's quickly see what it says. Okay, Indian Young Professional Scheme eligibility. To be eligible for an Indian Young Professional Scheme visa, you must, please note this before you apply for this opportunity, you must be an Indian national citizen between age 18 and 30 years old. So if you are below 18, no way. If you are above 30, no way. And you must be at least 18 years old on the date you plan to travel to the UK. So anytime if you are successful before you travel, if you are not 18, you are not permitted. You must have a qualification. Have a qualification at bachelor's degree level or above. So if you have masters, you have bachelor, you know that. So you should have 2,530 pounds in your savings to support yourself in the UK. So let me quickly talk about this. I'm going to be telling you what other people are not telling. A lot of people have talked about this, but the truth is, you need to have money in your account. So it's not, I used to tell you guys, it's not everything that is free all the time. Some things you need to sacrifice. You need to have this set. I don't know how much this is in your Indian currency, so you can convert that. But you need to have this amount, 2,530 pounds in your savings account. It's just to support your savings. It's not for the UK government. It's not for anything. It's still for you. Okay. You must not have children under the age of 18. Who live with you or who you are financially responsible. So if you're applying for this, don't even have a child. Don't, if you know you have a child, please forget about it. You must not have children under the age of 18 who you are responsible for. So you must first apply to be and be selected in the Indian Young Professional Scheme ballot before you can apply for this. So once you apply it is free to apply for the ballot system. So it is when you are not successful, you want to apply for a visa, you need to have this amount in your account, and it says that you cannot apply if you are already been in the UK under the scheme. So if you're already in the UK, please, this is not for you, but you can share it to your loved ones and to your friends. So eligibility qualifications, you must have either a qualification at UK bachelor's degree level or regulated blah blah blah. So you read through all that. Okay, so just like I said again, it says here money to support yourself. You must have at least 2,000. I said that before. You will need to add the money for at least 28 days. So that money should be in your account at least 28 days in a row. The 28 must be within 31 days for applying for the visa. So it's not as if when you want to apply, you're going to put the money. So that money should be in your account for like a month or 2 months. So they will know that yes, the money has been sitting there. It also says, you will need to show proof of this when you apply. So you need to show proof that this money is your own. Okay, so that's that about that. So let's come back here. It says to be eligible for the visa, you must be an Indian citizen, just like I said earlier. You must be between 18 and 30 years old, have an eligible qualification, have 2,530 savings in your account. So let's quickly look at this. How to apply? It says if you're eligible, enter the. So this is the link. So once you click here, you go and apply. If you are successful in the ballot, you will receive an invitation to apply for the visa. So it's when you are successful that you will now be invited to apply for the visa. So guys, I just want to advise you, if you're my friend, I have a lot of Indians watching my videos. Prepare yourself. If there's any skill you know you are good at, go and prepare yourself, get certifications, be good at what you are doing, so that when this opportunity comes on the 20th, you want to apply, it will just be an easy piece of cake for you. So you say prepare the documents that you need to apply for Indian Professional Scheme visa. Should we quickly look at this? Okay, let's quickly look at this documents that you need. We'll just quickly go through it so that you see what you are preparing for. Okay, documents you must provide: a valid passport. You must have a valid. That's when you are applying for your visa now, after you've been successful in the ballot system. A valid passport, evidence that you have at least. Please just go through this. I don't want the video to be too long. Just check the website. You will see all this there. So let's quickly look at when to apply. If you are successful in the ballot, you will have to apply for your visa by the deadline given in your invitation to apply. This is usually 30 days after you get the invitation. You must travel to the UK within 6 months of applying for your visa. Congratulations, if you win the ballot, you have to travel to the UK within 6 months. After 6 months, you lost the opportunity. Example, if you want to apply on 16th of March 2023, you must arrive in the UK by 15th of September 2023 at the latest. I hope you get that. As part of your application, you will need to prove your identity and provide your documents. You may need to allow extra time if you need an appointment to do this. You will find out if you need one when you start your application. Getting a decision. Once you've applied online, prove your identity and provided your documents, you will usually get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks. Okay, so how much it costs? You will need to pay the application fee. Now all this is after you are successful, which I pray you will be successful. So you need to pay an application fee of £2,908. A lot of people won't say this, but I'm telling you the fact. This is it. You need to pay. So just convert all this money to your currency in Indian, and then you have them at hand. You need to pay a healthcare surcharge of £1,552. Prove that you have 2,530, just like I said before, in your savings. Your application fee will not be refunded if your application is rejected. So after paying this $298, if they didn't choose you, it can't be refunded. It's gone, and it's gone for good. How long you can stay? You'll be given a visa to live and work in the UK for up to 24 months, which is 2 years. So if I were you, if you are there, you behave well in your place of employment, you are well to do, good character, of course you can extend your stay. You can enter the UK at any time while your visa is valid, and leave and come back at any time during your stay. If you turn 31 after your visa is issued, you can stay in the UK for as long as your visa is valid. So alright guys, please just go through the whole thing. This is the website, you have the link. Go through them, check yourself, and go and apply. Remember, this is the link to apply. Once you click on this link, it will take you to where to apply for this opportunity. Congratulations, Indians. I pray you get this opportunity, and I'll see you in the UK. All right, if you are still watching me right now, it shows you are interested in this opportunity and you've seen the system I've shown you. So if I were you, I will go immediately save the date to be opening on the 20th, just like I told you in the video, and it will be closing on the 22nd. It's just 48 hours application. So if I were you, I will rush down and save the date now, put a reminder, and then can go and apply. All right, if you know you're an Indian and you enjoyed this video, you learned something, you got an information, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And when you subscribe to the channel, I'll turn on the notification bell so as to get more updates. And if you're not an Indian, trust me, I get opportunities. UK government is also bringing up opportunities. This is for Indians, but it doesn't mean that opportunities will not come for other countries. So if I were you, I will subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I get any opportunity that might be pertaining or relating to your country, you will be the first to apply. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one again. Stay safe and stay good.